off quickly and then we'll start with your second boy, right? You came yesterday, did you?
Yeah.
All right. How's your pain and all?
Pain at all is not.
No pain at all? Okay. Fine, it's healing well from inside as well. But this is going to hurt you a bit. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. We'll try to put a spray, but whatever done, there will be some pain of this hair that just. Is it better now? Okay, we're almost done. Let's start from this side. Okay, that's fine.
Doctor, surgery में नहीं होगा.
सर्जरी में तो आपको पता ही नहीं लगेगा ना. चलो नीचे थोड़ा ऐसा हो. Yeah, it's nice. Where's this mirror? How can you have a look? Looks nice. Have a look. I think huge improvement. What do you say, guys? How does your dad look? So remember I told you even this will get better, the grooves. You can have.
This is not going towards this direction. I don't know.
Show me. No, it'll settle down. It's just that initial swelling that's a little bit more on one side of the lip and all that. But look at the length. Look this side. Look this side.
Shape has come.
Shape has come.
Look this side. Like turn this side. Yeah. You can look. Even these things have gone. There's some bruising and all here, as you know already. That'll settle down.
Here, I don't know what.
Oh.
Was it anesthesia?
No. It was surgery.
No.
The bruising is because of surgery,
Acha.
not because of anesthesia.
I saw here also.
No, it can happen because that's why we put all these bandages. Because the bone is cut, right? It does ooze a little bit. Yeah, and then you were on medications and all that. And in the 5th, 6th decade of life, as you old, the elasticity of the surrounding tissue comes down. And so, I mean, in any age. but that's what happens. At the 5th, 6th, with age, this elasticity issue comes down and so happens. Because see, for your son, it didn't happen. So that's because of...
Only it's slight, maybe, I don't know, I am feeling, maybe you people...
This idea.
It's, I don't know, you maybe it is a swelling or...
I think it should be just swelling on the lip. We'll take a scan and check inside as well. Sometimes what happens, some lips being pulled and all.
The lip is...
It's you feel the lip being tight here?
No, the lip being on the right side towards...
Most. It's numb here? Open? It'll settle down, even if it's numb, no problem. But we still check a scan and take a CBCT, no? Okay, now we need to check you also up. I'll just